Hello, I'm Gwen Stonecipher, an Education Technology Specialist at WISER. Today I want to talk to you about our studio. This space is a vital tool that helps us create a variety of online content, ranging from clinical didactic content for the courses we support to promotional materials for our simulation center. When course directors or subject matter experts want to create content for their courses, they turn to us for help. They may want to film pre-course presentations to introduce and explain specific concepts and procedures to the learners enrolled in their classes. They may want to film a simple overview of the equipment utilized during a cesarean section, or they want to film a complex step-by-step anesthesia procedure with airway management equipment, a simulator with replaceable throat skin, and multiple clinicians in the room. These videos would be valuable resources to a variety of learners that utilize our center. Regardless of what the course directors want to film, our studio has enough space and resources to capture a wide range of content. We also utilize our studio to create and film internal and external marketing and promotional materials. This could include filming webinars and interviews, but it is primarily used when we create videos to help orient and familiarize the users of our center to our policies, procedures, what equipment is available, and how that equipment can be utilized in simulation-based learning. This is especially helpful when encountering new users of the center. Now that you have an idea of what content our studio can create, let's look at some of the equipment we have available. Cameras are the most important aspect of the studio. To capture every detail of a simulated procedure or an instructor's lecture, we utilize high-resolution camcorders and a DSLR for recording. The green screen provides a blank canvas that we can use to show relevant visuals, different clinical settings, or professional, solid backgrounds. Our teleprompter ensures smooth delivery from presenters while they read their scripts and maintain eye contact with the camera. Proper lighting is essential to eliminate shadows and ensure the subject is in focus. When we film videos or collect audio for voiceover purposes, we may use lav mics, shotgun mics, or the camera's audio to make sure the audio is crystal clear. Because most of the equipment is rearrangeable and transportable, we can film courses in real time throughout different classrooms in our center, or we can take our equipment to different satellite centers and offsites. While our classrooms at WISER are already equipped with their own cameras and audio systems, using the equipment from our studio gives us more control over the quality and quantity of content we capture. After we record the necessary video and audio elements, our studio also acts as a dedicated workspace to process and edit the content. Let's be clear, while having a fully stocked studio is certainly helpful when it comes to content creation, especially if you're a larger simulation center, you can still create dynamic and effective content without one. If you are a part of a health system or university, find out what tools are available to you through their Media Development Center. A GoPro or a smartphone paired with a gimbal can be great ways to get started without breaking the bank. Whether it's promoting our simulation center or enhancing clinical education, this space empowers us to create impactful content. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the studio. And don't forget to like and follow us for more.